Good morning, friends. We must move forward with our own truth. And they say we all have the nurturing energy about us. We deserve sugar, not salt. And they say you must be kind and compassionate, be generous with your spirit, and be playful. The path ahead is illuminated, and you must follow your own light. Take care, or there will be losses in material wealth. There is going to be a chain of events that will affect your life forever. A new chapter is beginning. Embrace the change. It's time for you to go out and have fun. There is money or property through an inheritance or winning or a windfall coming your way. They want you to reflect. When you allow time for reflection, you allow yourself to see where your inner shifts are needed. As you refocus on what serves your highest good, you will feel yourself shifting into your higher self, your truth. And it is time to stop letting worry rule you. Instead, get excited about the future and all that it will bring. What energy and emotion you put out comes back back to you. With a little conscious effort on your part, that happy ending can and will be yours. You are a healer. You have the power to help and heal others. They say you must uplift your thoughts because you do have the power of love to help bullies and angry people heal. You must smile and feel the profound effect it has on you and all those around you. It is a time now for healing, not war. You can see clearly now, and the truth within you transcends the illusion that we have all been living. They say that the angels are bringing you stability, or you are the stability in your family's life. You're not stuck anymore. You are seeing you don't know what the future holds, but you are trusting the magic of the universe. Expect the unexpected and have a lovely day. Know that I love you very, very much. Bye for now.